when it's spoken well and written well, it's as rich and as beautiful and as wonderful a language and as great a language as all the major languages. And I'm very proud to be the sister of Ruth and David, who've taught generations, and hopefully, they have people. Ruth has students coming from Japan and China to study Yiddish literature and learn Yiddish, to read it in the original so they understand it. Certainly so much of our culture, the Jewish culture in North America, is based on Yiddish, and all the music and all the songs. But unfortunately, a lot of it is nostalgia, and a lot of it is kitsch. I have mixed feelings about it because my mother didn't like kitsch and nostalgia, and so the stuff she sang was like, it came out of the fabric of society. It had each song had a mission, or it evoked a person, or it evoked a setting, and it wasn't maudlin. And I guess she passed a little bit of that on to us as well. But yet, when we have a family celebration, we'll trot out certain family songs that are, you sing the song and we hear mom, we hear my parents, we hear them singing, and I guess that's the memories. But we have the memories. I don't know how you pass it on. You have to have a lot of committed people.